back with another video. It is currently Sunday at 9 o'clock here in Garden City, Kansas. We are on episode number 5, and today we are officially going to go pick up Bucket from the shop. So today we got to go to the bank, pick up some money. Then we got to go put some gas in this thing because it's almost empty, and go grab the trailer, go to the house, pick up the squad, and then we are DC bound. And also we do have a few parts at the house that came in last week, I believe. Our headlights came in, our fog lights came in, and our tail lights came in. So once we get the truck at home all situated and stuff, we'll probably just pop those in, and then after that we'll probably be good to go, and then it'll be off to paint hopefully soon. So come along with us on this video. Currently rolling through Cimarron, almost to Dodge. I think we're gonna get to Dodge, get something to eat, hit the mall real quick, and then we'll go pick up the truck. Got the trailer all strapped down. I don't know if you can see him, but we got little man back there somewhere. And we got mom with us today. If y'all are looking for anything for your lady for Valentine's Day, she makes chocolate covered strawberries. She makes cocoa bombs. So I will link her Instagram and her Snapchat down below so y'all can get in contact with her. And I think I can even post her QR code, that's what it's called. But we are almost to Dodge City, and we'll catch y'all here in a bit. We got Bucket all loaded and everything, ready to go home. Got the truck all done and situated. Danny really got down on the front bumper. We're gonna have the body shop go ahead and just finish it right here. But other than that, it's all ready to go, and I think we're ready to go with some 28s. So let's get this pig home, and we'll see what happens next. A little windy outside, so I don't know if y'all be able to hear me that well, but we finally have the truck home. Just a quick little overview of everything that we got done. We went ahead and got the bumper tuck done. As y'all can see that the bumper is a little bit more flush compared to like the factory bumpers. Still got to finish this little cutting and plastic welding and re-welding right here on the sides. But other than that, basically the front bumper is done and complete. And then we still got to finish the grill. And the truck now officially has the firewall tubbed, and it's retubbed, and little things here and there relocated. Daniel did a real good job on the relocating and everything. But yeah, my favorite thing is that bumper tuck. That bumper tuck came out pretty nice. But we got to switch the wheels around. That wheel belongs on the driver's side. But yeah, the truck is home. Just got to finish up a couple little odds and ends. I finally threw the taillights on yesterday when we got the truck home. But yeah, came out real good. Getting closer and closer to getting it ready for paint. And then, you know, before we know it, it'll be back out there at the shows. So that's a wrap for this video. We'll catch y'all on the next one.